Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another review video. So in this video we will be talking about Centric. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So we are much more familiar about Upstake as I have covered Upstake in my previous video. If you haven't watched my video about Upstake, you can go through the description box. I will be giving the link of the Upstake previous video. Centric has been hard forked from Upstake in 2020 and it has been listed already on different exchanges. On July 28 it has been listed on Probit, Bithumb, CoinTiger, and in August it listed in Bittrex Global and JustWeb. So it is a great development by the Centric team, and in upcoming months there will be more different exchanges coming and more huge partnership coming. So if you want to join Centric, you have to just click on this get started tab and you will be going to the login page. In that you have to complete the login process and then you are good to go with your Centric wallet. So first of all you have to purchase Centric Cash from the exchanges that are listed here, and then you have to convert it to the Centric Rise token, which will be giving you 28.5% growth every month for few upcoming months, and then it will be reduced. You can check more detail about Centric Rise growth percentage in the white paper given below in the description box. So every 1 hour your Centric Rise will increase few dollars. Here you can see the timer 33 minutes and 30 seconds. After 33 minutes your value of Centric Rise will increase a little bit. So it is a win-win situation where you can invest your $1,000 and you can get $1,280 at the end of the month. So it is a huge success if you are invested, as it has been already listed on various exchanges you can exchange on. So what are the vision of Centric? It is a reliable, trusted and accepted everywhere. They are undergoing various developments, and within few months people around the world will start to accept Centric Cash and Centric Rise as their payment system, and you can purchase various goods from them in future. So this will be giving you financial freedom for the next generation, and it will be a stable currency to exchange, and it will be reliable and trusted throughout the world. Centric is a dual token economy where you can convert your Centric Cash to Centric Rise and get a percentage rise every month with the help of the Centric Rise protocol. Centric is an innovative dual token digital currency and decentralized blockchain protocol built on sound economy. Dual token models rewards adoption and stabilize over time, has its self-regulate token supply to meet ongoing changes in the demand. Within 18 to 20 months, the Centric Cash will be stabilized nearly about $1. So it is pegged at $1 if you want to convert your Centric Cash to Centric Rise. So after few months you can get a huge bonus for holding your Centric Rise token. So this is a good way to get your investment grow with the help of the Centric. So how you can get benefit from early adoption? Within these 3 steps you can get benefit from the early adoption. If you have purchased Centric Cash from the trusted exchanges that are mentioned above, you can convert it into Centric Rise, and this process take nearly about seconds. You will be starting to get your benefit from the Centric Rise. So here is an example of Sam given to you. Sam buys $100 of Centric Cash from the exchanges at the rate of $0.01 each token and receives 10,000 Centric Cash. And the Sam convert Centric Cash to the Centric Rise and hold 1000 CNR, and after 1 month Sam will receive 28.5% growth in the investment he has made, and he will be receiving 12,850 Centric Cash token if he convert to Centric Cash. So these are the few points what makes Centric different from other cryptocurrencies that are available in the market. Centric is governed by non-profit entity called as Centric Foundation, whose role is expand adoption by developing partnership and supporting innovative projects that contribute to the utility of the Centric. So it is governed by a non-profitable entity called a Centric Foundation, and they are going to develop various other partnership will be coming and supporting Centric. So if you adopt Centric Rise, you will be getting 28.5% reward every month if you hold Centric Rise token. Stabilized economy. So after few months, like 18 to 20 months, Centric Cash will be stabilized to $1. So if you wish to cash out from the Centric, you can convert it into the Centric Cash token and get your profit generated with the help of the stabilized economy. So these are the current use case: adoption phase, stability phase, utility phase. So here are some helpful resources if you go through their frequently asked question list. Use this Centric Swap. Also, if you are holding in Tron wallet, you can use this Centric Swap and swap your token from Centric Rise to Centric Cash. And here is the Centric Explorer. You can get much more detailed information about burn token from the Centric Explorer. and here you can watch a small video about Centric and get much more detailed information from them. So here is a roadmap from December 2017. You can go through it as they have achieved each and every phase they have mentioned according to the roadmap. And Mohalabet partnership is also really great success, as here you can see on July 28 the initial exchange listing that is already achieved, and additional exchange listing is also in process. So after creating a wallet, the dashboard will be looking like this. Here you can see the Centric Rise balance and Centric Cash balance will appear here. Here you can see I am currently holding 37,193 Centric Rise token, which is increasing every hour. Here you can see the price block of this hour is $12.76. After 6 minutes it will be increased to $12.7667. So after 1 hour my price of Centric Rise will increase by some percentage, and so this is a win-win situation. If you hold Centric Rise, you are getting each hour some reward of holding your Centric Rise token within Centric wallet or Tron wallet. For converting your Centric Rise to Centric Cash, you have to just click on this convert tab, fill the amount you want to convert it into the Centric Cash. Here you can see it will be converted into 1276 Centric Cash. You have to just click on this next tab and fill in the detail of your security code, and you have to just click on this convert, and the Centric Cash will be transferred into your account within a matter of seconds. And you can repeat the same process if you want to convert Centric Cash to Centric Rise also. By the transaction history here will be appearing here. If you want to purchase Centric Cash token, you have to just click on this buy tab, and the list of the exchanges that Centric Cash is listed will be appeared here, and you can choose your preferred exchanges from this list. It will be redirecting you to the exchange page. Repeat the same process if you want to sell your Centric Cash. The list of the exchanges will be appeared here. You can go through it and choose accordingly. So if you have still doubt regarding the Centric, you can go through the frequently asked question or ask their team members in the Telegram group. They are actively giving the answers to the queries of community members, and new members are actively joining the Centric community, so they have little doubt or few doubts will be clarified there within the Telegram group. And you can join the Telegram channel for getting latest update about their future partnership and listing announcement. So if you can go through their support if you have any doubt regarding the process, or else you can watch their videos about Centric. There are few videos on the YouTube also that will be guiding you to the process. You can go through their white paper and roadmap for getting much more detail about them, and you can also get much more information by going through their press release and a news event also. This was all about today's video. Before investing into any project, do some of your own research. Go through the terms and condition, privacy policy first. Don't rely completely on me, as I am not a financial advisor. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.